Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Lydia Marie. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today it is already time for the July favorites. July, like you had someplace to be, like you couldn't slow down a little bit. I guess that's how 2024 is just gonna go, because it has been on warp speed. But I have some good fragrance, some skincare, couple of makeup items, and a really cute romance book. So if you would like to see what's in my July favorites list, I hope that you'll keep watching. Hi to my new subscribers. I have quite a few of y'all. I love that. I love that every time I come back here I have new subscribers. So welcome to the channel, and hi to those who keep coming back time after time. You know I appreciate you. Let's go ahead and get into this good July favorites list. Starting off in the makeup category, because I don't have too much of that, I want to mention the new Maybelline Lifter liners. These are the liners that they just released, like I want to say about a month ago, but these are really good. For these to be lip liners, I think they're really good, long lasting, super creamy. I have a neutral shade that I swatch as the shade Player, and then I have the red one, which I think is called Front of the Line, something like that. Really good lip liners, and they're less than $10. I personally do not believe in a lip liner that has to cost over $20. It's just a waste to me at that point, because lip liners, you sharpen them, you keep using them. I mean, it's your preference, this is my preference, but I like a lip liner that's inexpensive and wears well, and Maybelline really did a good job with these. These are linked in my Amazon store, but you can also find them at the drugstore or at Target. In the category of makeup products that I sort of forgot that I had, but I started back using, and this is also going in my August makeup bag. This is the Haus Labs blush, the Haus Labs powder blush. It's called Color Fuse Blush, and this is the shade Hibiscus Haze. A very nice kind of a muted pink blush, but it's a powder blush, but it applies so nicely, and it's like butter, super pigmented. I pulled this out to do another video, and I was like, why am I not wearing this again? Haus Labs makes really good products, and this blush is gorgeous. I know a lot of people like the watermelon shade as well, but this is the one I have. I'm glad I have it. It is going into my August makeup bag, but this is a great blush. Two lip glosses, one from Lawless. This is the Forget the Filler lip gloss. I don't know the last time I went through a lip gloss as fast as I have with this one. It is a plumping gloss, but it does not feel like a plumping gloss, meaning it doesn't have that harsh tingle. It just feels like a nice menthol cooling situation. I have the shade Velvet. It's so pretty. I've been wearing this darn near every day, and as you can see, it is almost gone, but I'm gonna empty it before I buy another one. I'm gonna behave, because I really want that chocolate shade they have. Next up is a gloss from Dose of Colors. This is the Stay Glossy Gloss in the shade Macchiato. I featured this in a couple videos back. This gloss formula is so good. Dose of Colors is a brand that's really slept on in my opinion, and this shade Macchiato is a perfect peachy nude type of gloss. I've also been enjoying wearing that as well. So those two are my lippies for the month. And that's really, oh no, one more. How could I forget the new Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Sticks? I'm wearing it today. I'm wearing the shade Riri. I've been wearing these since I got it, and you could tell, look how worn down this is. I got it. I've been wearing Riri more than the red one. I do have the red shade called MVP, but these, to be a gloss bomb or be a type of gloss stick, they have so much more pigment than I was expecting, and they wear, hold on, I think I smeared some, yeah, somewhere on, no big deal. They wear really well. I did pair it with a brown lip liner today. I did not get the corresponding lip liners for these, but I have really been enjoying these, and I think I'm going to go ahead and use this one up and go get fussy like during the fall sale season. But these Gloss Bomb Sticks are sublime. Really a good product. Moving on to skincare, the brand Beekman 1802, they gifted me a bottle of their Milkshake Hyaluronic Acid and Squalene Facial Toner Mist. I have really been enjoying this, and you can see that it has separation here because it has oil in it. So all you do is shake it, and you mix it up, and then you spray it on your face, or you can spray it on a cotton pad. I've liked this as a toner in my morning routine because it's just nice and light and refreshing, super hydrating. It has a nice fine mist that just kind of, you know, like that. It doesn't have a strong smell or anything like that. They gifted this to me and I've been using it all month. I really do enjoy this. I like it kind of like a matte prep and prime. You know how you kind of spray your face if you've had your makeup on for a long time during the day, just as something kind of refreshing. This is what that toner does for me. I will always go back and repurchase the First Aid Facial Radiance Beauty Pads. I really do enjoy these, just so refreshing. They're not super exfoliating, though they do have some exfoliating ingredients in them, but I like them just because they're a refreshing type of toner pad. I really enjoy these as part of my makeup prep. If you don't want to do a heavy exfoliation or anything like that, after I wash my face, I just rub one of these pads over my face and it's just so refreshing. Like I said, a light exfoliation gives you a nice radiant glow. These are quite affordable as well. You get 60 pads in here, and I think this is the biggest size, so it's like $29 or so, but they last forever. You only need one pad per use, and I use them like maybe every other day, but these are really great if you are into light exfoliation or just want something quick to kind of give you a toning type of radiance finish on your face. These little babies right here, Olay did something with this one. This is so cute and convenient. These are the Olay cleansing melts, and they're just little pads, little squares that you rub underwater. You run them underwater and it melts into your hand and it becomes the cleanser. So they just melt into your hand and you only need one little square. You rub it together, then you have a nice Olay cleanser. I really like these, and I got the one with retinol. I meant to get the one with vitamin C when I originally ordered it, but I'm not mad at the retinol. Retinol is one of my favorite skincare products, especially being over 40. I like a good retinol, but these are so nice and gentle, very convenient. If you're going on vacation, I would take a few of them out and kind of just put them in a Ziploc bag because they dissolve underwater, and they're only like $9. So very affordable product from Olay. Very good facial cleanser. Next up is my dynamic duo from Necessaire. This is the hand cream and this is the hand retinol cream. At night, after a long day, you've been washing your hands, you've done the dishes, you showered, putting this on right before bed and then putting the retinol cream on right over it, your hands are super hydrated. I need some right now, as ashy as I am. I should have put some on now for this video. Your hands are super hydrated and the retinol helps them look youthful. You know, your hands are one of the first areas of your body that start to show signs of aging. So using a hand cream retinol is very helpful for keeping the elasticity and the hydration in your hands. But these two together, such a good luxurious nighttime treat to just slather this all over your hands. Let me pop one more makeup item in here as an honorable mention. And now that I have found the right shade of this e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation, I get the hype. It is such a nice wearable foundation, and even though it does have a satin finish, so it's going to look more polished, a little bit more done up, if you will, it is a very nice foundation. Now with my summer color, I'm actually tan warm, and I got this from Walmart in the store. Highly suggest if you can go to Walmart in the store and try this or look at the shades in person. It will help you a great deal. It's kind of like what I said with the Danessa Myricks foundation concealer. Not a bad product. You just have to find the right shade, and both of those are in the stores now, so go forth and go shopping. But now I found my shade, I get it. I've been wearing this and it's such a nice, beautiful kind of a glam foundation. Really nice, and it's only $8. Like, come on. Jumping into the body care category, the Naturium Glow Getter Body Oil. Child. Whew. It is good. Now, you know Naturium has the whole Glow Getter collection, right? So I have the Glow Getter body wash. You use that in the shower. You get out of the shower while your skin is still damp. Put on the body oil, let this absorb, and then you put on the body cream, the Glow Getter body cream that comes in a jar, and then you lock it all in with the biolipid lotion. Fantastic. But this body oil is so good. I was so glad that it comes with a pump instead of you pouring it out or anything like that. Super affordable, only like $20. I've only gone through a little bit because it's so concentrated and it smells delicious. Very good after bath, after shower body oil. I think these are now at Ulta, so you can go in the store and get them. I ordered mine from the Naturium website, but now they're accessible at Ulta. 10/10 recommend. The EOS 24-hour body shea better lotion has had a chokehold on me. I thought this might be too sweet because it's the vanilla cashmere scent, and I was like, I don't know. I keep seeing the combos online and like what you compare it with. I had to go into Target and smell it, because if it was too much cashmere notes, not enough vanilla, I would have had to put it back. But it smells so good. When I put this on after a body wash and I layer it up with some body oil, what did I layer it up with? The Vaseline gel, the Vaseline body gel, and layer it with this, you smell like a warm vanilla yummy cupcake. It's so good. But more importantly, this is a very, very hydrating lotion. Not runny at all. It has a nice thick consistency to it, so it really absorbs, keeps those ashy elbows at bay. I would definitely be buying another one of these when I run out of it. The only fragrance I have to talk about this month is the Club de Nuit fragrance. It's Club Denuit, and it smells delicious. It's so grown up, and it's like luxurious, but like approachable luxurious. I did a video short about it, describing it, and I said, y'all know how I like to use pop references when I'm like describing perfume. This is Whitley Gilbert. This is what Whitley Gilbert would be wearing, but Whitley with the fur. You remember when Whitley had on the fur, but she also had on jeans, so it's kind of like a high-low luxe situation. It has notes on the top of citrus, so you have your grapefruit and your orange blossom. In the middle is your floral, your rose, your gardenia, but it's not overwhelming. Like gardenia can go really bad really quickly. At the bottom though, that vanilla and that sandalwood, baby, and it lasts a really long time. I got this from Amazon. You can get it from Amazon. Of course, I put it in my Amazon store. I'm a heavy sprayer, so when it dries down, it is so sexy. Such a good perfume. This is the book that was my go-to for the month. I took it with me on vacation. It's called Get a Life, Chloe Brown, and it's such a cute book. It would make a really cute rom-com. It takes place in London, and Chloe is the main character, and she is like really uptight and going through a bunch of stuff, but she makes it a point to make a little checklist for herself to get a life. And she comes along, cute little romance. It's just a cute book. I finished this over vacation, and guess what I did? I dropped it in the pool, right? Because I was in the pool 6 days out of my 7-day vacation. I dropped it in the pool. I dried it off. I took it back to the library. The library called me and was like, girl, you need to come and get this book because it's got water damage and now you own it. So now I own it because I damaged the darn library book and they made me come and get it. And I was like, I am so sorry. They were like, oh, it's fine. It's a popular book. We have more. Such a cute book. I really want them to make this into a movie, especially because it's like the Black Notting Hill. You know what I'm saying? So just such a cute book. It brought me so much joy on vacation. A really nice, easy read. If you can, pick it up from your library or the bookstore. And I'm pretty sure I'm forgetting something else, but that's all for July favorites. I have a lot going on right now. July was crazy busy since I got back from vacation. July was just like a lot. I got injured. I'm on my right knee. I tore something in my right knee. So I've been kind of limping around for the last couple of weeks, but it's all good. I'm expecting really good and big things in August, claiming it, manifesting, whatever you want to call it, and working towards it. So all good. July is a wrap. It was good for what it was, but here we are. If you made it this far in the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate y'all watching, hanging in there, always clicking my links, reading my blog, for all the support you all give me. Truly, truly thank you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see y'all back here for my next video real soon. Bye.